Hi everyone, today's experiment is all light is all right. From your kit, you're going to need 2 small test tubes and your test tube holder. You'll need your measuring spoon, your water-absorbing polymer crystals, tweezers, and a beaker. From home, you'll need to supply some fast-growing seeds and some water. Into each of the test tubes, put 1 small spoonful of water-absorbing polymer crystals. Into each test tube, add 15 milliliters of water. Then, into each test tube, add some seeds. Test tube 1 and test tube 2. Now, take one of your test tubes and put it into a dark room. The other test tube, put underneath a bright light. Over the next few days, record your results in your My Scientific Discoveries booklet. Which is better, the dark or the light?